Looking for power and hand tools for this Christmas? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below, and choose your favorite one. Number 1, lightest, most compact 12V CC brushless drill/driver in class. This easy-to-use power drill weighs only 2 pounds, making it a great choice for extended drilling and driving overhead, by Bosch. Number 2, one of the most decorated knives of all time is back. The snap lock held the knife world in rapture when it won the Most Innovative Knife Award at the 2004 Blade Show. We're breathing new life into this unique everyday carry folder, by Columbia River Knife and Tool. Number 3, Artec Gear Dual Compartment 53 Pocket LED Lighted Tool Storage Backpack. Features an integrated 3-level LED light that swivels, 2 straps for cordless drill/driver, and battery charger. Carrying handles, padded shoulders with sternum strap and back padding, by Custom Leathercraft. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.